Hello, everyone. So, hope you are all doing good. This is my first lecture, and it's gonna be a very basic one for those who are new to trading and don't know what these candlesticks are. So, I'm gonna show you what these candlestick actually means, and it shows you what is happening in the market when price moves. It leaves behind a candle. So basically, you're going to see two colors candle, one red and one green. Every time you open a chart, you're going to see these two colors appearing on your screen. So let me tell you what these green or red candles mean. Well, actually, when there is a bullish market, you're going to see a green candle. And when there is a bearish market where the price is falling down, you're going to see a red candle. So actually, a candlestick starts here, or it might start here. I'm going to show you what this means. So, for example, consider that the price is at this level, 514, right? So, when price tries to open a new candle, it will appear here. Then price came down a little bit. At that time, the candle will turn red in a live chart. And then it goes up. When it goes up to its opening price, it will leave behind a wick. This is called the wick, right? Then the price tries to move upwards, leaving behind a body that is in green in color. Then the price went up to this price and came back to this price. Now, what happened here is that the price closed here and new candles formed. So this was our opening price. This is our low. And we also call this wick, right? This is our closing price. And this is also a wick, and this price here is called the edge high, that we call it high, right? So after the closing of this candle, new candles formed. And it did the same, but in the opposite direction. So when the price opened here, the candle opened here, it went up, leaving behind a wick. Then it came all the way down to this price and then went up. So when this candle closes and a new candle forms, it leaves behind a red candle because the opening price was above and the closing price was below, right? So for the green candle, we have an opening price at the bottom and a closing price at the top. But on a bearish candle, we have an opening price above and a closing price at the bottom. So we called it OHLC. When OHLC means open, high, low, and close. This is what OHLC means. And now I'm going to show you in the real time how these candlesticks appear the live chart. So see here, we have at the green candle, this was its closing price. So after 1 minute of time interval, new candle appeared and its opening price was this one, right? It went up, then came back down, leaving behind a wick, and it came all the way down to here, then went up and closed. The next candle, the green one, that is its opening price was this, and it didn't came down, but it went up directly. So there is no wick in it. So this is the opening price, and this is its current price. For example, if this closes here, then we will see a green candle with no wicks, and this will be our closing price, right? So it does leave behind a wick, so you can see this. Okay, so this was a basic lecture on what these candlesticks are and how are you going to interpret what's happening in the market. This is completely for the beginners who are new to the crypto trading and don't know what these candlesticks are. So I have a very extensive course of crypto trading, which I will be sharing on this YouTube channel. The kind of course that you don't see on any YouTube channel. So please do subscribe and follow me. Thank you.